Peter Twat. What the fuck was he doing? Excuse my language, but I just that was my first time seeing this just. But I do remember when I was 4, and then I'm sure the bar was grey. Now this is for number 4 shoot. Yeah, that guy was just being in Egypt like. Now this is just too big. So steam is cool. Wow, this rain is just getting really heavy. Probably going to get a good amount of views because caught misuse, steam train and all. Yeah, they're just like being idiots doing what they're doing. Oh god, it's been really. Oh, number 4 is approaching now. Malfunction.